We just discovered a brand new strategy for you guys, and we're so excited to finally be able to tell you all about it. If you're someone who enjoys watching videos and continuously tries to find ways to make money online, then this is just the video for you. It's probably hard to believe, but you can actually make up to $65,000 and even more in a single month with today's method. But to actually be able to do so, you must finish this whole video first. You're not going to be doing anything complicated to earn this much. All you will need to do is share links. That's literally it. Isn't that crazy? It's available worldwide, so no matter where you are or where you're from, this is your chance to make thousands of dollars just by sharing links. Also, you won't even need skills or prior experience to participate. It's beginner friendly, so whether you're an expert or just a beginner, you can still work like this and earn like this too. Now, you won't need much to prepare for our strategy today, just a phone or a laptop, and of course, a stable internet connection, and that's it. You're set to make some money. We're going to be walking you through this whole process, and to help you a little more, we're going to give you some tips and tricks to triple your $65,000. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The website that's going to be making us our money is called kickbooster.me, and so this is how it should look once you open it up. Now what you want to do would be to go on users and then select on affiliates. Now let's get through this whole webpage to know more about their affiliate program. Earn rewards for sharing the projects you love. It pays to be a Kickbooster affiliate marketer. Use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. Share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, email, or wherever you'd like, and watch the commissions roll in. The more you share, the more you earn. Now, who are affiliate marketers? We have publications, bloggers, influencers, customers, fans, and friends and family. The steps to this are simple. First, you're going to sign up for free. Create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes and don't pay a thing. Second, you're going to pick a project to promote. Browse through our marketplace to find awesome projects to share. Third, spread the word. Generate a unique affiliate link with the click of a button and share it with your network. And lastly, our favorite, get paid. Earn a commission on every pledge that comes through your unique affiliate link. Manage everything with ease. Stay on top of your marketing efforts by monitoring your progress in your personal affiliate dashboard. Track your affiliate link clicks, the funds you've helped raise, and the commissions that you've earned. So that's basically all there is to this webpage, and a little background on affiliate program of Kickbooster as well. To our newcomers, where you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now it's time to sign up, and to do so, you should be at the top of the webpage again and then hit on sign up right here. You are going to be brought to here, and as you can see, affiliate marketers, I help promote products by sharing them with my network and following. pick a project to promote, spread the word, get paid. Now we must fill up all of the details being asked. So your name, your email, your PayPal email, your password twice, then agree to the terms of use, then confirm you're not a robot, and once that's all correct on complete, hit on submit. Now once you have yourself an account, you can finally see your dashboard, and this is how it should look like. And it is on here where you can see all of your stats. How much you've made, how much you've boosted, how much you've clicked on, and so on and so forth. Since our account is completely fresh and new, we obviously still have no dollars earned, but trust us, as soon as you watch our video today and as soon as you finish it, we guarantee that you guys are going to be flooding this page with dollars for sure. Now it's time that we look for projects to market, and to do that, just click on Marketplace right here, and then you're going to see all of the campaigns that they offer, everything that you can possibly market and promote. On the left side of this page, you can even choose what category you want to promote in particular, so that it's something you're familiar with or interested in. So if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So for example, you want to boost this campaign. So just click on boost this campaign, and then it's going to open up a new tab, and then you're going to see how much commission you're going to get, and then you can either get your booster link or view your campaign. Now you can view campaign to know more about this, and we suggest that you actually do that. And we also suggest that you take a look at the website of this campaign of yours. But after all of that, afterwards, you're gonna click on the get your booster link so that you can finally promote it and start earning money. Once you click on it, you're finally gonna be able to get your link, and then now it's time to figure out where you're gonna put this link to get the most traffic possible. Now back to the marketplace first. When you look for the best campaign, to make sure that you sort it by commissions high to low, so you'll see the highest paying ones, and just repeat the process that we initially showed you so you can get your link. Now, the perfect place to leave your link would be on Quora.com, of course. Whatever topic your campaign is about, you can look it up on Quora and see all of the people who have questions on this certain topic, or the certain campaign, or the certain line of conversation, and reply to all of the questions with your link, saying that, hey, you can get it here on this link, or the answer to your question is on this link, and just like that, you're gonna get paid. You can also share your link with your family and friends, and surely they're gonna want to purchase or check it out because they would want to support you. You can do the same on forums and Facebook groups. Just look up the topic of your campaign, or your topic itself, or the conversation line, and post your link on there, and you're gonna get paid and get the traffic that you want in no time. So make sure that you try this website out, this strategy out, and do it the way that we taught you. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.